Okay, we're going to demo the print reading book, exercise unit 2, figure 2-3 and 2-4. And make sure your part body is the in-work object. So it's underlined. And then we're going to work on the 2-3. So again, in your print reading book, find figure 2-3. We're going to build this on the YZ plane. So we're going to sketch onto the YZ plane, and then I'm going to go to Profile, and I'm just going to, it says to start at -1 and 1. So you're going to start here. You got to measure the true length of the part. I'm just doing a rough sketch. So again, your job is to go measure your true lengths, and the shape will wind up looking something like this. Okay, and the cool thing about CATIA is you could always sketch a shape and then put the dimensions in after the fact. I want that sketch on the YZ profile starting at this coordinate. That coordinate again is at the -1 in the Y direction and at the +1 in the Z direction. Again, use your measurement tools that were on the syllabus to build this profile. Okay, I'm going to hit escape, undo this, get out of here. Figure 2-4 is the block with the hole in it. You're going to do that on the XY plane. So this one is the XY plane. You're going to hit the sketch. And for some reason, horizontal in France apparently is up and down, and vertical is side to side. But we're in America. Since we're in America, horizontal is going to go side to side, and vertical is going to go up and down. In order to do that, you have to find that normal to view icon. And I'm going to hit the normal to view once, and it puts the H horizontal and the V vertical, but for some reason it's in the negative direction for H. So I'm going to reverse that again by hitting normal to view. Slide this down here out of the way. You're going to create your rectangle, and then you're going to create a circle right in the middle of that. You're going to go create a solid in the negative Z direction, and your starting point again for this one is at 1 and 1. So this corner here is positioned from the absolute axis 1 inch in the horizontal, the X direction, 1 inch in the vertical direction. That is your start point for your rectangle. Again, you have to measure the size and shape using your instruments, measuring instruments found in your syllabus. All right, you're going to create a solid of both of those. So for example, I'll create my solid here. You're going to constrain it like you were taught, and then we're going to exit out of the sketcher, and we will build the pad. We'll do this in the reverse direction. Select OK, so the top is on the top instead of on the bottom. So this flat surface here would be a datum on the same plane as this here. And I'm trying to remember what else I wanted you to do. Basically, you're going to build that solid. Again, it's whatever dimensions that are given in the book that you'll have to measure the views. For further clarification on those views, those are orthographic views on figure 2-3 and 2-4. You can do a snapshot, read unit 5 in the print reading book for more definition on orthographic views. All right, so you're gonna, when you're done, I want you to apply aluminum material, and then go to, after you, well, let's just run through here as a review. We'll apply material, and the material I want you to use is a 6061. We're going to use that for aluminum. Make sure to grab the one with the core. You're going to apply that, and then you got rid of this box, and we're going to pick on the top collector here. Material shows up in the list. Once I'm sure that's the correct one, you can hit the green check to close that command. The material is added. You will select then inertia. Make sure you grab the part body to find everything in the part body to get the true volume and mass and your center of gravity. I want you to get this and this in the picture. Make a snapshot just like that so that I can see the part, your center of gravity, and your tree. Whoops, I forgot to expand the tree. I want to see what you did in the tree. I should see one pad and one sketch. Okay, so build the two parts per the measurements in the book and create your solids, apply your material, expand your tree, apply the inertia. I'll see inertia in the tree here as well. There's your inertia. That would be this here. Make sure you have area, volume, mass, and center of gravity. Take a snapshot of that, submit it to your Canvas assignments. And that's it.